Hello children, the topic for class 9 today is linear equations in two variables. Okay, now this linear equation in one variable we learnt in class 8. Now two variables, the standard form of this equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Linear meaning the degree of this equation is 1. Yes, and two variables we have x and y. Okay, now supposing I have an equation like this, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now if you take this equation, what happens is it is a linear equation because the highest power of x is 1 and so it is linear, but there is only one variable. Okay, so this is a linear equation in one variable. Now supposing I have 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. So in this case we find that is a linear equation where the degree of x and y is 1 as well as there are two variables. Okay, so this is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables, and if you notice that a, b and c are all real numbers. Real numbers. Okay, real numbers meaning we can have root also in the coefficient. Okay, so you can have even root 2x plus root 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Anything like this can be a linear equation in two variables. Okay, now supposing they have given a sum like this. They say 3x minus y is equal to 7. Now they ask you to write it in the standard form. So when you write it in the standard form, what will it become? We have to bring 7 to the left hand side. So what will you get? 3x minus y minus 7 equal to 0, where we have transposed 7 to this side. Then another question that they can ask you is, one is to write in the standard form. Another thing, after writing in the standard form, they may ask you to find the value of a, b and c. Now what is a here? A is equal to 3, which is the coefficient of x. What is b? B will be the coefficient of y, that is minus 1. And c will be the constant term, which is minus 7. Never forget to take the sign because it is the coefficient of y which is the b term, and constant also including the sign only you get your a, b and c. Now these type of sums where they ask you to write in the standard form or find the value of a, b and c are all one word questions which are easy as well as important. Okay, now let us see how we can find the solution of a linear equation. Okay, supposing I have 3x plus 2y is equal to 6, say. Okay, now first they have asked you to say, the question is find two solutions for this equation. So we have to find two sets of answers for x and y. Okay, so what we can do is first bring it to the standard form. So what will you get? 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Now you give values for x and find the corresponding value for y. So the easiest is let x equal to 0. When x is 0, this whole term will become 0. Why? Instead of x, if I put 0, 3 into 0 will become 0. So this has become 0. So what do I get? That implies 2y minus 6 equal to 0. That implies 2y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So when x is 0, the value of y is 3. So that is one solution set for this equation. X is 0, y is 3. Always write the x term first and then the y term. Okay, now let us see one more. They want two solutions, right? So this is one solution. Let us find the next solution by saying let y equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, what happens? This term will become 0. Why? 2 into 0 will be 0. So if this has become 0, what is my remaining? 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is 3x is equal to 6. That implies x is equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. So in this case, what is my solution? X is equal to 2. 2 comma y is equal to 0. So you have x term, y term. So I have found two solutions. Easiest to substitute x and y. You can also find using x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 2 and find the corresponding value for y. No harm. Let us see, we can see, supposing they say find 4 solutions. Okay. Now I have found 1 and 2. What is the first solution? 0 comma 3. The next solution is 2 comma 0. Okay. Now we need to find 2 more. Now for that, let us see whether we can substitute x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is minus 6 equal to 0. So you say let x equal to 1. Simplest is to put x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, what will you get? 3 into 1 plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. So what will you get? 3 plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. So 2y minus 3 minus 6 is 3 equal to 0. So you get 2y equal to 3 and that implies y is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. So what is the next solution set I am getting? I am getting 1, which is the value of x, and y will be 3 by 2. Okay, so what have I got? 1 comma 3 by 2. Have you got it? Okay. Now we have to find 4, right? We've got only 3 solution sets. Now let us see where we can do. You want to say x is equal to 2. Okay. Let x equal to 2. You can even say y is equal to 1. Anything. You can take any value. Minus 1, minus 2 and then get the corresponding value. If I take x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 will give me the same answer, right? So we'll take y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Now if I take y is equal to 1, so what will I get? I will get 3x plus 2 into 1 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So what happens? This will be 3x plus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. So you get 3x minus 4 equal to 0. That is 3x is equal to 4 and that implies x is equal to 4 by 3. So what is the next set of values that we are getting? 4 by 3, which is x value, and the value of y is 1. So I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions for this equation. I hope you have understood how to find the solution for a linear equation. If they ask you to find 2 solutions or 4 solutions corresponding to what they have asked, you please substitute. First thing, you take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Then you go in for x is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 and get the corresponding value. I hope you have understood this, children. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.